Inkantolo imshaye ngoswazi oluncane uBellarmine Mugabe oyindodana kalowo owayengumengameli waseZimbabwe uRobert Mugabe wathola isigwebo sokuthi ahlawule imali engu-600,000 noma randi bese ebuyisela kwela kubo eZimbabwe ngokusheshsha.
As far as count 5 is concerned, you are fined to 400,000 rands or 24 months imprisonment. That is now the pointing of the toy gun or that was likely to lead the person to believe it was a firearm. As far as count 6 is concerned, that's the immigration law, 49, section 49(1)(a. You are fined 200,000 rands or 18 months imprisonment.
uTobias Mugabe Matonodze nongumsola wesibili kuleli cala yena ugwetshwe iminyaka emithathu ebhadla ejele ngecala lokuzama ukubulala njengoba wazivumela ngokwakhe ukuthi nguye owadubula isisebenzi sasengadini emzini kaMugabe.
You are sentenced to 12 months imprisonment. Count 2, you are sentenced to 12 months imprisonment. Count 3, you are sentenced to 3 years imprisonment. Count 4, you are sentenced to 12 months imprisonment. The court orders that all the sentences be served concurrently.
Abameli babasolwa basamukele isigwebo.
The allegations against our clients were quite serious, and of course there was a plea that took place, and of course a victim at the end of this whole thing. So yeah, look, ultimately happy with the outcome as a legal representative, and I think the court arrived at a fair sentence with regards to the accused.
uBellarmine Mugabe kanye noTobias Mugabe Matonodze baboshwa ngoNhlolanja kulandela isigameko sokudubula isisebenzi sasengadini emzini kaMugabe osendaweni yomntakabani eHyde Park eGoli.